outgoing QC inspections.
Testing.
So they will pick. So there's several levels, right? You have incoming quality inspection. You get the materials in. The materials come on the lines. You have some testing stations. You have some inspectors implanted on the line, and you have a patrolling in-process quality inspector and auditor.
Right.
And the last line of defense, right, before the products are shipped out directly to customers, still another external pair of eyes is these people who work in the quality department. They pick some products all packed. They will pick some randomly. That's what he's doing, and then they will do inspection.
Go through their checklist, huh?
This is also a one that she's doing. Okay. I will take one randomly. That's okay. Okay, he was thinking. Okay. So, when she goes into it, she inputs the quantity exactly that she finds. The application will tell her how many samples to take.
Yeah.
And then after that, she has some checkpoints to follow, right? So packing, inner packing, product, right? So she has a number of checkpoints, barcode scans, silicone material, blah blah blah. The barcode dimensions, etc. Okay, and then just to say yes, no, take some photos. When she sees some defects, she will log some defects. For example, I see it has something here. Okay. Anyway, and then at the end, it produces a report.
Right.
That is sent to. I don't want to. Okay.
And you use the AQL standard?
Right. This is a
so this is exactly what
typical inspection, just like third-party inspection.
Your service side
Yes.
does. So they come here and practice. Come here and train. You can train your inspectors to come here.
Same software, same. You could say that. And vice versa. But these people, they do it in the factory. They pick themselves, they unpack themselves, they do the inspection, they repack.
Right.
Except if they need special help for repacking. And they work here all day, all the time. It's quite different from a traveling inspector.
Right.
Who will go.
They wouldn't rotate.
They would not.
No, separate. Okay. All right.
There's some extra warehouse behind. Let's look at the second workshop on this floor.
Okay. Good.
This is an automated visual inspection machine. So for some of the products, the visual check there's a lot of things that could go wrong. For example, a keyboard. If you have this key here instead of here, or like this instead of like this, very hard to pick up, with so many keys, right? You have some of them in the wrong place. So typically for keyboards and some other products like this, we train the machine learning model with some good photos and photos of problems. And then they will put the product here, and you will tell them pass or fail like within 1 second roughly.
Wow.
So it's a fast cycle. Takes the photo, analyze, and then the algorithm will say pass or fail.
Wow.
And if it's fail, they will show them exactly what part is failed.
Wow.
Right? So quite useful for certain types of products.
Amazing.
This would be sort of something, do you think AI would also start to...
This is machine learning.
Yeah, I was going to say.
Yeah. Now, this has been around since the 80s in the automotive industry. Okay, much more expensive, much more cumbersome. But over time, let's say the price goes down and the cameras get better and better, and the algorithm get better and better. This is, I think, a Sony camera and American software. Okay. And there's more and more things like this that come up in the marketplace.